Alrighty. Wow. It's been a hot minute, hasn't it? What is up, chat? Welcome to the stream. Today is day 94 of live day trading NASDAQ futures. Today I have 5 top step 50k combines. Let's have a look. We've had a while off, actually, chat. It's been a while. Thank you for all the new viewers that have come through. Appreciate the love. Welcome. What's up? I know some of you have come through TikTok or YouTube Shorts, so yeah, appreciate that. I've been in the past month like sort of working on a different sort of strategy, kind of mixing things up a little bit, looking at different avenues, finding something that's a bit more suitable for my trading style or goals. So yeah, that's essentially what's been happening as of late. I've been working on some things, and we are trying to something out at the moment. Sort of a little bit of ICT kind of stuff. Taking in some notes of other styles of trading and other ways of trading, and it's been going okay. So it's pretty interesting so far. Okay, so today we've actually had a bit of a news come in. So there was like some tentative news that's been really up and down. As you can see, NASDAQ opened up at the New York Stock Exchange. Massive bearish candle there. Kind of, as you can see, there was a bit of accumulation or even just a move up during Asia. Now London sort of accumulated, but technically there isn't a manipulation outside of the zone, so we could consider that manipulation. But for the time being, we're just going to have a quick look at that. Okay, so that's sort of like a standard deviation. This right here, what I'm highlighting now is the leg that made the break out of the Asia high. So from here up until here, when London starts, this is the leg. So this is sort of like a standard deviation kind of tool to figure out where price could be heading. So as you can see, I've got a few different things marked up on the stream. I've got what's it called? I've got the key opens 8:30 a.m., 9:30 a.m. and the 10 a.m., which is going to be opened up soon, marked up soon. At the moment, I'm looking to get a short in. Obviously, I'm looking to get it swept here, but it's very hard because, chat, there's in the past few days, it's been a bit choppy. We have the previous day high that has been taken, so we could see a move down before going up. But yeah, it's a pretty interesting one. So previous high was taken, closed inside, sign of a potential bearish move. So yeah, now we are seeing some pretty massive selling off actually at this moment. Yeah, so we shall see. Good news, I got a soundboard that I'm trying to test out. Trying to see if it works, so bear with me, chat. Let me see. Ooh. Now I don't know. Hold on. Let me just mute my speaker, see if it comes through the mic. Oh my god, it does. That's so cool. Yeah, I have to watch back the stream for that. I have to double check it's not too loud though. So let me just change some things here. It's very interesting. Let me see if that changes it. Wait, it actually played through my speaker though. Wait. Oh, I see. So the sound came through my speaker. Right. Trying to figure out how I can make the sound not come through my speaker but through the mic. Yeah, anyways, that's a little side project there. Yeah, so that's essentially that, chat. Let's see if I can address audio quality. At the moment, what are we looking for? We're looking for a sort of pullback, some sort of pullback into a key open area. In this case, we don't really have an opportunity actually. It's kind of just like fully shut itself, which is good. We don't really need a reason to trade here. It'll be interesting to see if there's a bounce off of this Asia low here. See if it sweeps and comes back up a bit. That might be something to keep a look at. And it's at also the 2 standard deviation mark. So if anything, I could look at like potential. Potentially look at like a small like scalp something small, maybe on the inside of this move, like here, like a 10 point move, something like that, into this recent structure. Let's just have a look at the 1 minute. Yeah, not really giving us much opportunity, but look, it is just shitting itself, and I'm not going to take a long into this bearish move. I'm not trying to catch a falling knife, so we'll see how it plays out as it comes down into this area. I'm still trying to work out the soundboard, so let me just make sure I'm muted. No. So the sound comes through desktop audio, but I guess in a way it kind of, wait, why mute myself? Did you guys hear that, chat? I think you did. From what I can see on mine, it looks like it worked, but I'll have to rewatch the thing when I go back. So that'll be good. That'll be good. Yeah, look, I'm not trying to, if there's some sort of sign here, okay, the 5 minute candle is closed. There's a wick here, but there's still a bit of a move to follow through with. Let's say there, out to here. So yeah, that's the low of the day. Let's see our price. Look, I would like to see a short opportunity here, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me see if this other stuff works. See that, chat? Freaking flew through it. Lucky I didn't have some resting shorts there. That would have been really bad. But yeah, looks like prices. Okay, don't worry about all these colors. Bit of boxy primary colors going on. But look, I'm trying to just see. I'm definitely, let's not prepare any longs. Let's look for some short opportunities, chat. Like, this is crazy. What we want to see is like maybe change of state of delivery, change in state of delivery. We sort of just gotta see, chat. We gotta sit here and wait till something good comes up. Been a hot minute. Don't wanna. I just wanna like actually just stick to a pretty easy setup, and I'm not gonna. I want to start off the week strong. I mean, well, it's not even. Guess we're halfway through the week. Wednesday for me. Ugh. There's a massive bearish candle. What did anything come in the news? Let's have a look, chat. See what happened. Nothing crazy in the news. MMO imbalance. Yeah, nothing crazy at the moment. I don't see anything that could be, moving the markets is heavy. This is crazy. I'm just gonna wait for some sort of. I think in case like this, we just gotta look for like a 100 tick pro trend continuation at this point. Something I can just short at. Something like this if it comes back. Maybe a short here. Right, how long is this thing? Oh. Give me 1 second, chat. Let me just make this smaller. Okay, now let's have a look. We would take a short here. Double bottom with inducement, not a protected structure. Respecting it. That's a triple bottom. Look, that's a long for me. I might take a
Order
long
filled.
here, chat. Oh shit. Yeah. Very tight. At 10 points. Could be a quick L. Could be a quick L here.
Order filled.
All right. That is the first L of the account. Really low time frame. I guess it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's probably not the greatest idea. I yeah, of course. Yeah, I definitely fucking I just longed at the wrong time. I should have just waited for a deeper sweep of that. But up here I can short from.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see if I can scale
Order
on
filled.
something like that. Average it out.
Order filled.
And keep my stop loss around there. And catch this one as it goes down. Oh shit. We only need something like that. Okay, here we go. So this is like I guess it's a pro trend continuation on the tick chart. Pretty tight. There's the break of structure. There is a protected low. And here we've got the protected high. So just catching a short. It's a pro trend where following the move. Hasn't broken its recent structure. It's just simple market structure, but this is actually on the very low time frame, very small short moves. So the second trade for is it the second? Yeah, there's a second trade for today. First one was trying to catch the bottom of the market reversal, kind of silly. Trying to long at the bottom, which actually I was pretty close. Realistically, it's actually quite close, but I just hadn't waited for the sweep, so I was got stopped out there to there. Look at that! Oh, it was like literally right on the line. Couple of ticks like that. Bit of a shame. Oh, we might get stopped out here, chat. Still is going lower. Has stayed within this channel here, so we don't have any reason to be afraid just yet. But we should just watch. Could get stopped out. Wow, it's so close. Yeah, probably get stopped out here maybe. It looks like it's going bullish now. Yeah.
Order filled.
Maybe we should have taken some off the table there. Was up. Oh man, it was actually a pretty decent amount. Did it retrace to a certain fib level? Was the question. Let's have a look. I've been tossing out these fib levels recently. Oh, it's okay. 0.618. So look, this is the low time frame change of character. We wanted to look for a long somewhere at this internal or this leg that made the new high. Then I'll take the low. Let's have a look. This becomes a change of character. This break of structure looks sort of like a sweep, just like down here, but we shall see. I I don't know if I can. How much can I take? Like a 10? 10 times 2 is 20. Times 5 is 100. No, I can do a few. If it comes around, I'll do a few market buys. But I think at that spot.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that was bad. Let me think. Let me guess. I took out the wrong. Should have been this one here. Before it goes up. Oh no. Definitely not. Let's see what the few minutes is saying, eh? Ooh. It's very interesting. So what do we do here, chat? Guess there's no real point to trade in this kind of market. It's kind of chopped right now. It is getting a double bottom. What are we aiming for? Liquidity, I guess at this point, price has just gone up, respected this. If we look on like, I guess a 5 minute here, sort of respected all this. Oh, this new week opening gap, shit. Oh, that's the drawn liquidity chat. It is definitely, it's just coming straight down to this green bar here. Eep. So what's the move? What's the play? We still got to wait for, I guess, it's completely blew past all of these relative key opens. What about the lower time frame? I wonder what all the volatility is coming from. Let's see what Top Step TV is saying at the moment, chat. Let's have a little listen.
NQ's down 0.25%. Big time.
We definitely got called out by Winston in the chat. This is the only time y'all show love to the YM. You're right, 100%.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look
being
at it.
strong.
It's this day in the
It's
sun.
like one of those expendable movies.
It's just, yeah, you're right. Pretty much. $50-50 tilt. Who got long the Dow? We'll show some of the new lows crude, $59.09. Closing on 59 evens, 59.08 now. $48,500 in the Dow. New 501s, 503s, 505s. Come on down. And we get to 49,000 today. It's 500 points away.
So what is happening today with financials? I'm looking at like the sector components of the S&P. Financials is up 1%, healthcare up 1%.
50-year mortgages.
Oh.
Dakota? Dakota, I think you may have nailed it. No, I don't think it's really, well, I mean, 50.
You've never seen more people more dug in on their respective sides of that than the online discourse of 50-year mortgages.
Oh, thanks, please.
All right. Buyer stepped in right here in the NASDAQ so far. Let's see if they'll hold.
I'm not like saying 25,560. Call it holding bid right now. 25,585 ES. 6 points off the lows.
Uh,
What an absolute beast. Again, so that write that down. 2,500 a lot. It's I'm sorry, 68.82. 68.82. Trading 68.80s right now. What was that level on the Power Hour yesterday? What was the level? Kept holding the bid until the very end. Top of the hour. Here, let's see if Paulson. Anything from Paulson? Yeah, nope.
all right, buyer. Yeah, buyer trying to get this back over 600 here in the Nasdaq. It's looking a little bit better.
You've seen that here in the US as well. Walking it up higher, about 8 points off the lows.
All right. Is that the bottom? Is the bottom in?
Ooh, is the bottom in, as Dakota?
The bottom in for the day.
Well, I mean, for the Dow, yeah. Bottom's been in for a long time. I was like, yeah, I'll show you what the bottom. He's talking US, they're talking NASDAQ. NASDAQ bottom, 5,561.
I can see
50
some.
points.
I can see it. I think it could be possible.
The NQ ladder. NQ pretty thin. One more buying coming in here.
And buyers stepping in.
Look, wow.
Yeah, it stopped out. 619 stopped.
What did Paulson say? Pretty good buying coming in here. 25,628.
Yep.
Honestly, chat, looks like they have no clue either. Ooh, just hit the Asia low here. I might actually look at a short continuation at that mark. We've just hit it. Ooh, let's have a look at the 5 minute. Let's go back to one screen. I mean, that's a pretty clean rejection. I'll probably short here. Yeah. Oh man, I just missed it. We'll see if it comes back. Man, that would have been a perfect entry there. Reason why it did sweep into this fair value gap. Now I'm switching to sort of back to, oh yeah, that's the CE there. Aligns with the Asia low, so it swaps into the Asia low, which aligns into this PD array, which is a 1 minute fair value gap. Ooh, chat, be right back. Let me get some water. 1 second. All right, let's see. What do we want to see here? I want to see this one break. Okay, I want to see. This is what I want to see. I want to see this one break. Break above, close bullish, and then within the next 1 minute 5 minute candle, there's a body here. There's a retracement back in the bottom wick, top wick, bottom wick, and in that bottom wick, I want it to retrace into the Asia low. For a long. Let's see. But our bias is the new week opening gap here. I don't know what we can. Well, I don't know what we can short off really. I mean, the midnight open here. Let's have a look. do 1 to 3 risk to reward. That would have been a good short actually, but oh man. Short here. We'll see if it gives us the entry to short again. Nope. I'll risk that. What do I need? 3 to 1. That would have been it right there. Got sort of equal highs here. It comes up. I think it's a good short opportunity here when it comes up. I'm gonna wait for it to come back up here. If it comes up here, if it reaches this, I'm shorting. Oh, you know, I set a limit right here. So the no.
Order filled.
Okay. That looks good. I'm gonna
Order
increase.
filled.
Very nice. This should create a massive wick and then it should start coming back down. Yeah. Or my bias could be completely wrong and it's just going to keep going long. We shall see, chat. I don't know. I mean, this is pretty bullish, actually. Yeah. 2.5 minutes left on this candle. On the 5-minute candle. What is my stop here? 15 points? 15 points is acceptable. Like that. Alright, now we just sit back and let it vibe out. Alright, chat, here it is. It's 2 to 1. I was hoping 3 to 1, but that's alright. We just sit here and watch this play out. My profit target is it's 2 to 1 risk to reward, approximately 15-point stop.
Order filled.
Bang. L. Oh man, I'm just I'm just like the best at trading wrong. Oh. So let me have a look. Go on, let me have a look. So what did they say? Let me refer back to my notes, chat. Asia low. Here's the high, here's the low. Did we touch into any fair value gaps? Tough to say. Had this massive wick. It's a bit blurry. Didn't tap into the CE of that. That's alright. This would have been the CISD. Change the state of delivery right here because it's down. And then it goes up. So that's the CISD. Let me mark that up. Let's have a look. Change in state of delivery, CISD. Okay, this is the equal highs gets taken out. After it comes back down, I could have had a long off of the CISD there. Yep, How many points though? No, it would have wicked me out as well, chat. Well, what's the next draw on liquidity? Probably this massive imbalance here. Huge imbalance here. So what we need to do is find a long position into it. All right, I'm going to use this key open yet again. Now this is going to be my buy entry. This key open here. Let's set this up like that. And we shall see. Oh, it is just... Maybe I just need to study more, need this more backtesting on the strategy. I'm kind of just like fucking bugging with it, chat. I really am. Very hard. Definitely did the accumulate, manipulate, and distribute downwards. So that is AMD. Do you have a fair value gap left behind? Yep. That's from there to there. 5 minute. This is a good draw on liquidity. There's also another fair value gap here that we just tapped into. I don't think it's a good opportunity to short from. I mean, I could be wrong, but I feel like there's a bigger draw on liquidity here that wants to get filled.
Order filled.
Okay, just tap me in. I'm actually going to... Actually, I have to keep it at that, actually. I think I'll get stopped out.
Order filled.
Yep. Oh, wait, I had more. Eeps.
Order filled.
Sorry, chat. I had another about $400 left.
Order filled.
I'm ass. I am ass. Ah, man. I just need to spend more time. Chat, I am fucking bugging. Yeah, look, I think I need to take a solid few weeks off. I'll spend the entire November and December studying the markets before I come back in January, chat. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe I'll stream. Maybe I'll come back and stream my studying of it. Or backtesting. How about that? I'll just stream my backtesting. But holy moly, yet again. Just struggling, man. Look, I'm not even following my rules. Oh yeah, look, this is all my fault. This is all my fault. I'm just not really taking this as serious as I should. Look, chat, you know, it's a journey. We're still on it. It's only the start. It's only been a year and a half. You know, I've gotten a payout once. I've gotten funded multiple times. But I guess, you know, in moments like this where when it comes down to it and I haven't really poised myself and I haven't really stuck with it, I just get too loose and I get all over the shop. So yeah. Oh well, I think yeah, I'm gonna go back to the drawing board for a bit, chat. But maybe I'll stream my studying. So that will be good. All right. Well, that's it, chat.